If you have a consulting firm of risk management, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your risk management consulting firm business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding appointments, support, info and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your risk management consultant firm using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you how does it work. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web, and over here I'm going to type a key message, for example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply in which they welcome me to the risk management consulting simplified, and with that they have provided me 3 action button: explore service, start assignment and book consultation. I'm going to click on explore service. As soon as I have selected explore service, I got a response in which they tell me about their services, and with that they have told me about the importance of the risk management service. Not only that, they have provided me 2 action button, menu and talk to support. I will select the menu option. As soon as I have selected the menu option, they have provided me with initial message again. Now this time let's select start assessment. As soon as I have selected start assessment, they want to know about industry. I'm going to enter. Now after industry, they want to know about the employees. After that, they want to know about area of concern. I will enter my area of concern. Now they want to know about prefer response. As soon as they got every single detail, they have sent me a message in which they mention that, thank you, we are compiling a custom risk insight for your company. Our expert team will get back to you within 24 hours with a tailored summary and recommendation. Stay protective with risk guard. And with that also, they have provided me 2 action button, menu and need help. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much fun and better. That too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, setting, and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for risk management consultant business, I'm going to name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your risk management consultant firm. After giving meaningful name, we need to know about three main features which are given inside the flow start, keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. As we got to know about all three features, today I'm going to use Regex, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to drag and drop media button and connect with my flow start. After that, I'm going to browse my image. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to provide a welcome message. For that, I'm going to click on add content button, select the text button and enter my message like this, which says welcome to RiskGuard Risk Management Consulting Simplified, helping business identify, assign and mitigate risk with confidence. How can we assist you today? And with that, I'm going to provide few action button. For that, I'm going to click on add button option and enter my text, explore service, start assignment and book consultation. Now for each action button, I'm going to provide a separate message. Let's start with explore service. To tell about our service, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, where I have mentioned about our service and what does risk management is all about. Now with that, I'm going to provide two action button, menu and talk to support. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message and I'm going to put a separate message for talk to support like this, where I have mentioned that our team will contact them as soon as possible and our response time is 30 minutes. Now let's move to our next action button, which is start assignment. I need to ask few questions to them. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect and enter my message, in which number one, I ask about what industries their business in. And with that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as industry and my format as any. Now after industry, I want to know about how many employees are there in your industries. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message. How many employees does the company have? I'm going to select my contact custom field as employee and my format as any. Now after knowing about employee, I want to know about their main concern. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message. Which area are you most concerned about? You can select more than one: finance, operations, cybersecurity, regulatory, reputation. For that, again, I'm going to select my contact custom field as concern and my format as any. Last thing I want to know is how they want to get reply. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop, connect with my previous question and enter my message. Would you prefer to reply your assignment via call, email or WhatsApp? I'm going to select my contact custom field as reply and my format as any. As I got every single detail about the assessment, I'm going to send them a confirmation message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, where I have mentioned that thank you, we are compiling a custom risk insight for your company. Our expert team will get back to you within 24 hours with a tailored summary and recommendation. Stay protected with RiskGuard. Now I'm going to provide two action button. menu and need help. I'm going to connect this menu option with our initial message as I have told you earlier, and I'm going to connect need help button with our message that we have put for need help. Let's move to our next last button, which is book consultation. To book consultation, again I need to ask few questions to my customer. I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my action button, and here I'm going to enter my message. Number 1 I want to know is about full name. I will select my contact custom field as name and my format as any. Now after knowing about name, I want to know about company name. For that I'm going to drag and drop, connect with my previous question and enter my message, company name and your role. I'm going to select my contact custom field as company and my format as any. After company name, I want to know about preferred date and time. For that again I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message, preferred date and time for consultation. I'm going to select my contact custom field as time slot and my format as any. Now last thing I want to know is about main concern they want to focus. For that I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message. What topic or concern would you like to focus on? I'm going to select my contact custom field as concern and my format as any. After getting each and every detail, I will send them a confirmation message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message, which says we will confirm your session within 1 hour. First 20 minute strategy session is free. And with that also, I'm going to provide 2 action button, menu and need help. Again, I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message and I'm going to connect need help button with the message that we have put for need help. Like that. So yes, as you can see, I have created this chatbot for risk management consultant firm and I have entered all the design information that would be needed to run this risk management consultant firm. On to our last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.